chaos with Google Calendar, your simple guide to staying organized. Feeling overwhelmed by to-do lists and a jam-packed schedule? You're not alone. But fear not, there's a superhero in your pocket or on your computer waiting to save the day: Google Calendar. Getting started, your personal command center. Imagine a super cool app that remembers everything for you: appointments, deadlines, even movie nights with friends. That's Google Calendar. To access this wonder, head to your web browser and type in Google Calendar. If you already have a Google account, like for Gmail or YouTube, you're all set. If you're new, creating an account is a breeze. Just follow the on-screen steps. Adding events, scheduling like a champ. Think of Google Calendar as your personal digital planner. Here's how to jot down your plans and never miss a beat. Find your time slot, open the calendar and click on the empty space where you want to add an event. Give it a clear title: what's happening? Is it a work meeting, a haircut appointment, or a game night with friends? Pop a clear title in the box to make it easy to remember. Fill in the details optional. Want to add more info? Here's where you can shine. Set the exact time, add a description, like the movie you're watching for game night, and even invite friends or colleagues. More on that later. Save the date. Don't lose track of your plans. Click Save, and your event is locked and loaded on your calendar. Beyond the basics, Google Calendar's super tricks. Google Calendar isn't just a fancy notepad. It's packed with features to make your life easier. See it all? Want to see your week or month at a glance? Just click the buttons at the top to switch views. Never miss a thing. Worried you might forget something important? Google Calendar can send you a pop-up reminder before your event, so you'll be right on time. Color coordination. Feeling overwhelmed by a busy schedule? Assign different colors to different categories of events, like work meetings in blue and family time in green. Team up. Sharing is caring. Google Calendar lets you share your calendar with friends, family, or colleagues. Now everyone can see your schedule and avoid scheduling conflicts. No more accidental double bookings. The perks of being organized. Why Google Calendar rocks. Using Google Calendar is like having a personal assistant for your schedule. Here's how it benefits you. No more missed appointments. Say goodbye to sticky notes and frantic searches. Google Calendar keeps everything in one place, so you'll never forget a thing. Stress less, enjoy more. Knowing your day is planned out frees up mental space for the important things, like crushing that work presentation or having a blast with friends. Be the master of your time. Google Calendar empowers you to take control of your day. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish when you know exactly what's on tap. Ready to be an organizing whiz? So, there you have it. Google Calendar is your key to scheduling success. With its easy-to-use features and awesome benefits, you'll be a master organizer in no time. Now go forth and conquer your day. Google Calendar is by your side.